Welcome! In this video, we're going to tour the new International Travel Registry, developed by Northwestern Buffett's Office of Global Safety and Security to support Northwestern students traveling abroad. Northwestern students, graduate and undergraduate, are required to register their international trips at least 2 weeks before departure. The process is simple and straightforward. By registering a trip, students will receive information relevant to their destination, including security alerts, health resources, and special assistance for travel to high-risk areas. First, determine if you are required to register your trip by going to the Travel Registry homepage at northwestern.edu/travel-registry. This page provides an overview of important information and relevant links for streamlining the registration process. Note that students traveling as part of a faculty, staff, or student-led group will receive an email notification from the Travel Registry system when it's time to register. Undergraduates studying abroad also do not need to self-register. The Global Learning Office will do it for you. If, however, you are a graduate or undergraduate student traveling on your own, open the Travel Registry by selecting the purple Register Your Travel button. Next, you will be prompted to log in using your NetID and password. Be sure to have your passport and trip itinerary on hand, as you will need information from them to register your trip. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need to review your profile and add any missing information. Providing accurate information will allow Northwestern to reach you if there's an emergency while you're abroad. Once you've finished entering your information, click the green Save button at the top right-hand corner of the page. After creating and saving your profile, you will be directed to a new page called Trips. To create your registry, click the purple Add New Trip button in the top left-hand corner of the page. If you have a booking confirmation email from the airline or online travel arranger, such as Expedia or Kayak, you can use the email forwarding feature to link your flight details. Forward the message to travelregistry@northwestern.edu. When creating a new trip, you will be asked to enter key information about your travel plans. Be sure to give your trip a meaningful name, like Art History Research in Paris or Poli-Sci Conference in Cairo. Do not name your trip Research or Trip Abroad. If you have multiple destinations during your trip abroad, click on the Add Destination button. When you're done, click on the purple Continue button at the bottom of the page. You will then be automatically directed to a new page to provide your flight and hotel details, if you'd like, though this information is not required. Under the Forms tab, you will be asked for additional information about your trip. Under the Essential Content tab, you will find signature forms and useful content. Be sure to review the destination-specific country intelligence information before traveling. When you're done, click the green Save and Finish button at the bottom of the page. Your trip will now appear under Upcoming Trips. You can download and save a trip receipt if needed to release funding for your trip. Through this page, you can also review and edit the details of your trip at any time if needed. Once you've completed these steps, the Office of Global Safety and Security will be able to alert you to any health or safety concerns in your location. The name of the platform Northwestern uses for the travel registry is called Alert Traveler. To get started, go to northwestern.edu/travel-registry. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to the Office of Global Safety and Security at globalsafety@northwestern.edu. Thank you and safe travels.